I'm going to pull the fire drill. Ha 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 ha.
It appears that there is no fire, so the fire alarm will not go off. The pull station will now reset.
Wait a minute. Why isn't it fire drilling? Oh come on, I thought that I pulled the fire drill switch. Alright then, let's pull it again.
It appears that there is no fire, so the fire alarm will not go off. The pull station will now reset.
Are you serious? Why won't it fire drill when I pull the fire drill switch, and why does it keep resetting itself? Okay then, I will try again.
Dude, can you stop pulling the fire alarm? I know that there's no fire, so I will not make the alarm sound.
Seriously, I don't have time for this bullcrap self-resetting.
Seriously? Do you think pulling the fire alarm multiple times is gonna do anything? No, it won't. And I already told you, I know that there's no fire, so I can't sound the alarm.
Come on, you piece of fire drill switch. Just sound the alarm already.
Oh, so you think you're slick trying to pull the fire alarm multiple times, huh? As I have told you, I know that there's no fire, so I can't sound the alarm. And I will tell you why. This is because of a feature powered by Wrapper offline logic that allows me to detect fires before sounding the alarm when pulled, something pull stations can't do in real life. In the Wrapper offline world, anything is possible. Now I suggest you stop pulling the fire alarm and get out of here, you son of a...
Oh, that's so freaking it. I will now find the panel and press the drill button.
Ha. Good riddance to that guy who thought he was slick trying to pull the fire alarm multiple times.
Great. Now that I have found the panel, I'm gonna press the drill button. Are you serious? All I want to do is fire drill the building. Okay then, let me try again. Oh come on. Why isn't it fire drilling?
No. That's it. I'm going to spam the drill button.
No. Please don't call security.
Wow.
Hey you.
Oh. Oh no. It's the security guard.
Sir, I know that you're trying to set off the fire alarm. Why would you do that?
All I ever wanted to do was fire drill the building, so that's why I did it.
That's not a valid excuse. Did you know that pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire is illegal, and you could end up in jail for doing that? You should be glad that I won't be calling the cops on you this time, but I will still call your guardians. Go home now while I call them.
No.
Oh. Matthew Pargo. I can't believe that you tried to pull the fire alarm. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded.
grounded for 897698590798437189517398452169827598517 years. Go to your room right now.